In this video, let me show you how to change your Letterboxd top 4 movies. So if you already have added in your favorites inside of Letterboxd, and if you want to make some changes to it, let me exactly show you on how it is done. You simply want to head over to your profile, and by default the favorite movies that you've previously added in should be visible inside of your profile. Now if you want to change this, you can simply tap on the settings option on the top left, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see the favorite films that you can change. Now either you can drag and change the order of these films, or if you want to change the listings entirely, what you can simply do is tap on the cross mark so that this section becomes cleared out so that you can add in new movies. So once you've done that, you can type in and search for new movies that you want to add in, and the movie would be added inside of the favorite films. So you can repeat this process for other movies as well, and once you're done, tap on the tick mark on the top right, and there you go, as easy as that. This is the way that you change your Letterboxd top 4 movies. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.